Mobile phones are complex technological marvels that have become an integral part of our lives. But have you ever wondered how these devices are made? Let's dive into the fascinating world of mobile phone manufacturing. The journey of creating a mobile phone begins with the design phase, where engineers carefully plan the specifications and features. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process starts with the procurement of various components like the processor, memory, display, battery, and camera. These components are sourced from different suppliers worldwide. Assembly of the phone involves the careful integration of these components onto a circuit board. This process requires precision soldering, with robotic machines placing and attaching each component accurately. Once the circuit board is complete, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure functionality and performance. The next step is the phone's enclosure. This involves using materials like plastic, glass, or aluminum to create a durable and visually appealing shell. Specialized machines cut, mold, and shape these materials into the desired design. The finished enclosure is then combined with the circuit board, creating the complete phone. Quality control is a crucial aspect of phone manufacturing. Each unit undergoes thorough testing to ensure it meets stringent standards. This includes testing functionality, performance, durability, and safety. Finally, the phones are packaged and prepared for distribution. They are shipped to various retailers worldwide to meet the ever-growing demand for this revolutionary device. In summary, mobile phones are meticulously crafted through a combination of cutting-edge technology, skilled labor, and precise, quality control. It truly is a marvel of engineering that brings connectivity and convenience to our daily lives.